and trust that the universe will only bring me loyal, supporting, and loving relationships. I open my heart to love and know that I deserve it. Wherever I go and whoever I'm with, I find love. I deserve to receive the love I get and open myself to the love the universe gives me. I'm open to marriage and attracting my future spouse. My love and/or marriage grows stronger each day. I am capable and deserving of a long-lasting relationship. My relationship will be open, honest, and full of abundance. Love surrounds me and everyone around me. I am attracting my dream future. I am confident, self-assured, and full of charisma. My partner is a reflection of me. I will never give up on finding true love. I exhale negativity and inhale happiness. Love surrounds me every day in every way. The true lover in me recognizes the true lover in you. My relationship is committed, loving, and long-lasting. I allow love to flow to me and through me. I allow myself to be loved fully